Become a professional thief or stay like a pro with something I'm going to show you right now in FL Studio. So if you know you are not an FL Studio user, scroll up. If you are a lover of FL Studio and you know FL Studio is your tools, come let me show you how you can install any type of sound, any type of loops, any type of sample, make it your own, design it and everything. Like we drink this drum right now. I'm going to show you how you can design and change this drum into your own. Very easy and very mighty. As you can see the drum here now, I'll play the drum for you and you will hear before I will show you what you can do. After this, now let's listen to the drum first. You see, after listening to the drum right now, let me show you something. How you can make and change this drum into your own. Very simple. Pay attention and follow me carefully. Okay, double click as usual. Come to this place right now. As you can see my hand, left click, come down to open a new SliceX channel. As you can see it, right? Press it right now. It will bring you into this place. This is where the magic happens. This is where you show them that you are a wizard in FL Studio. As you can see, you see, this does a lot of work. There are so many knobs here, there's so many arrows here. They have all what they are doing, as you can see. But I'm going to talk about this particular three thing here. Second one and this third one. As you can see, these three arrow I'm talking about. For example, let's start from this one. This one arrow here is different. These two almost give you the same result. But let's start with the other one, this particular one that have a cut. Right click on it. When you right click on this particular arrow right now, this right click on it. And now go to your channel rack and see what is there. You see? You see this now? That is exactly the drum you see in a loop. They are all right now in a piano roll. So here you can do magic. Here you can change and create your own drum. Right now, let's change it to pattern and listen how it sounds. Did you see? It is now in a piano roll. This is where you can change it and create your own drum. You can change it, create your own drum. You know, FL Studio is just a goat for you. You see here, they are all everything sounding in that loop. Every single thing that sound there is here. So here right now, change it, do your magic, pour your creativity, and become a wizard, become a professional thief, stay like a pro. You can design this loop to the extent that when the owner listens to it, they will never imagine that this is their loop. Yes, I'm telling you something. Pay close attention. So right now, you can now mesmerize with all these notes here into your own liking, into your own design. Yes, you hear me. You can mesmerize with everything, which I am going to show you right in this video. And at the end of the video, as you can see, you are still listening to it, right? At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can make it to become your own loop or your own sample, Yeah, exactly. It is what it is. Now, I'm just giving you an example of it. Moving the note, just try to change it to something else, just trying to change. This one is just a roughly example, just to try to show. I am already designing that part. Did you hear that? Did you hear that particular sound? How it really sound right now? Let's continue learning how to become a pro, how to become a professional thief. Do listen. Did you listen to that sound? Did, did you listen? You can keep on doing what you know how to do until it becomes exactly what you want. You see, I keep changing it to giving you example. You can do more than this right here. In this particular place, you can do more than what you are watching here. So when I show you something like this, when you come in, do more than I show you. Did you hear that sound right now? Did you hear exactly how it really sound right now? You see, it's very, very, very unbelievable. FL Studio is not your mate. FL Studio can never be your mate. Did you hear right now? You can see it's sounding typically different from the original loops. Right now, let me just change the kick. It always like to start with kick. Now I'm changing the kick. Okay. Did you hear that? Just 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 imagine how wonderful and how creative. You see, once you get this right now, you can just, Kukuma make it just like that 8 bar of a thing, then you delete the rest and duplicate, which I am going to do right here. You will see it. You see, delete the rest and duplicate the one you have designed different. As you can see that it becomes a 8 bar loops for you, which now you can make it to become your own. You have just created your own sample. You know, it's super amazing. Very, very amazing. Can you believe this? It's very, very amazing. So right now, as you can see, when you come into that place, you can do more than enough. You can do more than enough what I show you just right here. Drag it into the playlist. As you can see, mute the original one and listen to what you have right now. Did you see that? Yeah, as you can see, you see the difference. You see the sound wave difference. You see their weight difference. Automatically, this becomes your own loops, becomes your own sample. And you can do more than this, not just like this. You can do more than what I did. I just give you an example. You can change it. You can become a thief and a wizard thieving. Just like I always say, become a wizard and thief like a pro. Create your own sample, your own loops with this. Do more than what I show you. When you go into that place, all those arrow does something. Go extra mile to know something also by yourself. I can't keep something like this. Anytime I find something like this, I need to bring it out. I need to throw out this kind of secret. It's a simple but super secret that can change your production to a pro level. You see? Yes, into a pro level where you yourself can never believe it, what it does for you. So that is why I decided to come here and show you what you can do with that simple movement, simple tricks. FL Studio is not your mate. You can do more than whatever you can imagine inside FL Studio. Big shout out to those people, honestly. Let me show you, this is not the end. This is not all. Let me show you another way you can become more professional team. We know we talk about these two arrow. This particular I told you these two arrow always give you the same result. You understand? This particular arrow and this. So right now let's talk about this particular arrow, the one with something like a plus sign, as you can see. You know, when you click that particular one, it will reverse that particular loop. This is where you can also become another undescribable thief, in thieving or stealing samples any way, anyhow you want it. It will literally reverse that sample, and it will the way it will start, you yourself from there you can still create something unimaginable. I have clicked on it. Now let's go back. You see right now here, it create another pattern for me, another channel right here. As you can see, let's listen. It's now reversed. Did you hear that? Did you just hear that? Right now, you can do something after creating it. You know, the owner of the sample, after whenever he listen or hear it, it will never even come to his head or anywhere to. You see here, the person will never think of this is my sample or my loop. He reverse it, and from that reversing, you can still do wonderful. You can still do magic. Did you see that? Let's just give you small example. Just small example, roughly example, When you come into this, relax yourself. We can do more than what I'm showing you with this. Go extra to know more than what I'm just showing you. As can you hear? Can you listen how it's sounding right now? It's really unbelievable. Really, really unbelievable. Sometimes it's not about bragging. FL Studio is the good. Let's continue doing something, just an example. When you come into this place, I'm pleading with you to do more than what I'm just showing you here. Try to go extra mile to know. Did you hear how it's really sounding? Can you imagine? It might not really sound good. I'm just giving you just an ordinary example. When you come into here, you can do more than what I'm doing right now. Just like I'm telling you, I just want to show you that secret. I just want to put the secret out there to let you know that your creativity has no limit. Your creativity has no boundary. This is just like tapping from the people's already idea. And don't even feel guilty. Don't even fucking guilty about it, because 99% of everything that you see, any product you see in this earth, is literally another person's idea. So you can tap into it and create your own. Man, don't even fucking listen to anybody. Yeah. You see, totally is typically changed right now. As you can see, everything you listen, I show you. Now that you know, go and become what nobody can describe into FL Studio. Big shout out to every FL Studio gang. Don't brag with anybody. Just pour out your creativity. After that, like as usual, you delete the rest and make your pattern. You see, that is it. Right now, I deleted the reverted one. It's not really needed. It's just an example. So right now, I think you see, it's now time to show you the second thing I want to show you. The second way to stay like a professional, to stay like a pro. Yeah. Pay close attention. We are entering into another realm of you stealing, and this one is about guitar. Let's listen to guitar sample. Yeah, this is the digital sample right now, and this digital right now, I'm going to show you how you can also change it to what you like. Just like what I showed you in the previous way, this is now about guitar samples. You know, when you hear some kind of guitar, you just feel good and you want to translate it or transform it into your own liking. That is why we are here. That is the second thing I'm going to show you into this video. Like I told you, there is only two things I want you to go out with this video. How to stay like a professional. Double click as usual. Come just like I showed you the other one. Then this one you are going into edit in pitch corrector. Edit in pitch corrector. You see, when you right click the edit in pitch corrector, now exactly is going to take you into the piano roll. You understand? The other one is down, open a new slicer channel. This one is now when you click, this is where it's going to bring you, and this is where the magic happen. You know, this is where the magic again happen, where you becomes a professional thief. As you can see, all the piano rolls, every sound that is going on in that sample, as you can see. Now here you can do your thing here. You can change. You see the key. You can see the key. You can change the keys. You can change it and just do your thing here. Just like I told you, creativity. You see, when you move, mesmerize with all these keys to your liking. You know, your ear will tell you what you are looking for. But the aim is to change it into your own, which the owner might not know, the owner will never know. You see what I'm doing there? Just like that. I'm just giving you roughly example of what you can do. Relax yourself and do more than what I'm showing you here. You can do more than what I'm showing you right here, okay? Did you see? Did you see the way it's just sounding right now? Continue tweaking, continue doing yourself, continue being creative, continue pouring yourself. Don't ever listen to anybody, go beyond the limit. Don't break the rules or break the boundaries. Yeah. I can't keep any secret within myself. Once I notice it, I come and show you, you know. Here you can do unbelievable. You understand? Don't listen to anybody. Don't listen to anybody who is telling you the something else. This is what they do. You understand? You see all the keys here. You can change it to the anything you want. You know, change it to the anything you want. And after all, you change it. You know, export it and it becomes your own. You see these two arrows here. This one will give you the piano roll. That is if you want it in a key. You know, I believe many of you know about this, but this is not the particular arrow we are going to use. We want an arrow that will take it into the playlist just like a loop, you know, just like a loop exactly. You see, so that is where instead of you pressing this particular one, you see, you know, because just like I show you, it will show you something like into the, but right now when you press this particular one here, it's going to paste it into the playlist just like a loop. Yeah, this, you see this particular arrow, it's going to paste it into the playlist right now. Let's see. So right now, watch that loop you created. This is it at the top here. I see. So let's mute the other one, the original one, and play the original. You see. Did you see that? You see now it's really sound different. It doesn't really sound different, but because I'm just giving you an example. So if you want to check, if you want to steal a sound, take your time and design it to the extent that the owner will never know. Anybody will never know. Just make sure you create your own out of it. Don't let it be it. Create your own out of it. That is what I mean. That is what I'm not advising you to go and steal some, but just create your own out of what they have already. You understand? Yeah, I know exactly, you know what I mean. Every FL Studio gang know what I'm talking about. FL Studio is what is bigger than whatever you can think of. You can do whatever you want inside. There is none of your aim you can't achieve in FL Studio. So this is it. This is the way you can become a wizard into FL Studio, regardless of whatever. You know, I used to talk about it. People used to brag about DAW, this, that. But you see FL Studio, I don't know about any other places, but there are so many features in FL Studio. There are some secrets in FL Studio that, like, I felt like there's no other DAW that can does that. And these secrets, little secrets like this, is something that can upgrade your production, upgrade your workflow like crazy. You understand? So don't let anybody lie to you. Now, after watching this video, go and become a professional thief like a pro. Create your own loops, create your own sample. After watching this video and you steal or you thief a sample and they catch you, you are definitely going to be arrested, prosecuted, and jail. You deserve it, because there is no way you can create a sample or steal anybody loops or anybody sample right now that they are going to ever notice, unless you didn't do, or unless you are fucking lazy. You didn't pour your creativity rather to do a lazy work. That is not what I mean. So Brian, now I believe you have learned something. If you have learned something in this tutorial, do me a favor, comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. This is where you can render it. That is the first one. I want to show you how you can render the first kick I created into your own loops. As you render as an audio clip, or render and replace, will give you, or rather you export it. Yes, you can just mark only it like this and export it automatically. That is your loop. Automatically, that is your sample. You see, automatically. So instead of rendering or making it an audio, mark it like this, only the particular sound, and export it. It's simple as that. You see, export as wave into your folder, whatever you want it to be. You see, you store your loops, it becomes your sound. Don't let anybody lie to you. Give it any kind of name you want. That is your loop, bro. Yeah, as from today you become professional thief in stealing sample. Yeah, so follow me for more. This is what I will always do. That is why I'm always here, to show you that secret, that simple secret in FL Studio that can make your work to be classic and unbelievable. Yeah, save it, export it. Voila. You see, that is your loops, man, in waveform. Don't even let anybody whine you. You can be more than what they think of. So did you see that? Yeah, I believe you have learned one or two things here. Don't be that stubborn. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If there is anything you want me to know, you also want me to learn, feel free to say it in the comment section. Big shout out to you all out there, FL Studio Gang, who is trying to know one or two things. I'm here always for you. Subscribe, like, share. Tell me what you think, I'll always come your way like this with a powerful secret that can make you to become a professional producer as usual. Yeah, that is why I'm here. Ziggy says so. Okay. So, see you guys in my next video, where I'll bring you another wonderful and classic episode of What You Supposed to Know. Peace and one love.